Okay, present time. Alright, this is from Grandma Julie. Okay, let's read the card. Happy birthday, granddaughter. Fairy Castle. I'm hoping that your birthday brings you all you're happy for, and I hope you know, granddaughter,
sit down next to her,
that I couldn't love you more. Happy birthday, Lilybell, from Grandma and Grandpa. Okay, here, Lily. Open it up, Lily. You can help her, Luke. Help her open it.
Show it to her. Help her. You got to give it to her.
Give it to Lily. Oh, wow, Lily. What'd you get? Did you get some sippy cups? Wow, let's see. Silverware. A plate. A bowl. And dresses.
Wait.
Wait, let her look at it.
Let her look at what she's got first, okay?
Wow, Lily. What you got? Yeah, oh, that's pretty. Let's see that. Wow, that's going to look pretty on you. Hey, Luke. Alright.
Not yet, dude.
Here, why don't you give her... Let's see. Let's open...
I hope you start going through.
Let's open the card from Grandma Sue. Granddaughter, you're one. A whole year of gurgling, cooing, wiggling, giggling, peekabooing, crawling, playing, smiling, frowning, pulling up, and falling down. Oh, coupons. Sweet. Look at all you've learned to do. It's so easy loving you. Happy first birthday. That's cute. Okay, here, Lily. Let's see what that one is.
Let her try, Luke.
See if she can do it.
Not meant for your mouth.
Wow. Ooh, good job, Lily.
You did it!
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know.
She's like, I got it.
I got it, what you did.
You gotta open it.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Well, hurry up and give it to her.
Hurry, she wants to know what it is.
I can't. I got one.
Lily, what's he got? Open it, hurry. And give it to her.
Okay, I got to it.
What is it, Lily?
I don't know what it is. It's the toothbrush.
Oh, a toothbrush. Give it to her. Here, Lily, look. You got a toothbrush. Cool. Those are for her big girl teeth.
Hello, Kitty.
Hold on.
Ready?
All right.
Here begins. Hello, Kitty.
Okay, go over there.
Hold on. Let her try. Let her open it. Let her do it. Here, Lily.
I'm going.
What would you do without your big brother?
I don't know what.
What is it?
I know.